Hey everybody, welcome back to Bruiser Conversions. Behind me, we have the Mud Bug. And if you guys don't remember that, that is the bright yellow TJ that we converted from a 4-cylinder to another 4-cylinder, but we brought it from a pretty tired gas 2.5 liter to the R2.8 diesel. This was an in-house conversion and this thing rips. We will get you guys a driving review on this video. We've had a lot of requests to see that. Unfortunately, we had that filmed and a hard drive crashed, but we'll just make another one. Right now, it's in the shop for something else though. Brian has been working on building a full Genright roll cage for it, as well as a roll cage roof and a light rack for some big 6-inch KC lights. Let's take a look in the shop and see how the Mud Bug is evolving from what it was to more of a Baja Bug.
Alright, since our camera department says I suck at videos, we're going to go down the list. So I got to weld, I got to cut cage templates, I got to design a light bar, frame supports for this roll cage, and then buy some beer at the end of the day. So it's a great day.
So that does it for the Mud Bug. The cage went out to get powder coated as well as the light rack. The roof is going to get spray lined and then it will all come back together. Seats, seat belts, lights, everything will get hooked back up and we'll take this thing out on a drive and show you guys what it can really do. It got a lot more fun after we swapped that Cummins into it. We're excited to share that with you, so please stay tuned, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you on the next episode. Say bye, Brian.
Bye.